Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and simple Calendly tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find and customize your Calendly link. This link is what allows clients, colleagues, or anyone else to book time with you, making it one of the most important parts of your account. To get started, head over to the Calendly homepage. This is your main dashboard for everything, from setting up events to checking your appointments. Now look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, select My Link. Inside the My Link section, you'll find your personal Calendly link. This is the link you share so people can schedule with you. The best part, you can customize it. Just click on the link field, type in your desired name and make it match your personal or business brand. Keep it professional but also easy to recognize so people instantly know it's you. Once you've updated it, scroll down and hit Save Changes. This step is essential. Without saving, your new link won't take effect. From now on, anytime you share your Calendly link, it will reflect your own personal touch. And that's it. You've now learned how to find and customize your Calendly link, giving your scheduling page a more polished and professional look. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Calendly guides.